This is the idea that countries in the global north, for example, the US, Canada, and Germany, are generally better off than countries in the global south, for example, Brazil, Indonesia, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. But if you look a little bit deeper, there seem to be some pretty glaring holes in this hypothesis. Chile and Argentina, for example, are in the southern part of South America, yet they're much wealthier than most of their northern neighbors. So what's really going on here? The answer is that north-south isn't the axis of division that we should be looking at. What's really happening is the polar equatorial divide. Countries closer to the poles tend to be richer, and countries closer to the equator tend to be poorer. Let's go back to those global south countries I just used as examples. If you look carefully, you can see that most of them aren't even southern at all. But that doesn't seem right. South America and Africa are just intuitively southern. The former even has south in the name. It turns out that they only appear southern, because most of the land on Earth is concentrated in the northern hemisphere. Although that still doesn't answer the overall question. Why does this divide even exist? One reason is that equatorial economies tend to be more focused on agriculture. Since people are generally resistant to change, this can make it hard to adapt to the industrial and post-industrial climates. Diseases like malaria are also more common near the equator. The whole idea of a north-south divide model doesn't match reality, but it still seems to stick around because as humans we like to draw these simple obvious lines to explain everything, even if those lines are the wrong ones.